So in this video, we're going to talk about how we can convert your particular chat GPT chat into a PDF or a Word file. So why do we need that? So basically, when we keep talking to a particular chat, after few times, after very few long chats, it basically says you to switch to a new chat because the context, a memory of that particular chat has reached the limit. So they cannot let you continue anymore. So what you gonna do if that particular chat memory that you does not you need for your next new chat? So we can do is we can create a PDF or of this chat, and we can paste that PDF to a new chat. By this way, we can get whole context of our project, so it's easy for us to continue that. So let's not waste the time and just download this. I'll give link in the description. Go to Chrome web store and search for chat gpt to Word or PDF. It is a quite 4.8 highly rated extension, so we are just going to download it. And after you refresh the page of ChatGPT, you are going to see few of the options. So here you can click PDF or Word file. I'm going to tell you how to get a PDF. So just click on PDF, and that's it. It will take, I don't know, it can take few hours if your chat is too long. So just be patient, it will work. And uh, it's because my chat was not that big, it just did in few minutes, few seconds. But if your chat is very long, it can take minutes to hours. So I'm just gonna save it and let's open it. So this is a quite good way. So you can upload this into the next chat, and you can get the context of your uh, particular chat. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video, and like, share and subscribe.